Hello, everybody, and welcome to Sneha TV, your space for personal growth, self compassion, and high vibrations. Can you believe it that we have almost left 2024 behind and we are going to be starting 2025? 2025 is knocking at our doors. And in that regard, I want to have this conversation with you that let's kickstart 2025 with a bang, okay? And I want to share with you a few lessons this entire month. Today is day one of the lesson, the foundation of this entire series, that is the 2025 prep. And it is about setting intentions. It's not about New Year resolutions, it is about getting deeper into it, and that is setting intentions. Are you excited? I am. अच्छा, मैं आगे जाने से पहले आपको बता दूं कि this is going to be a Hindi plus English video. Okay, it is going to be both in both the languages so that everybody can relate to it. There are going to be subtitles for those of you who do not understand Hindi. So yeah, it's going to be a mix of both these languages. The first thing I want to cover with you is why does intention matter? क्या आप में से किसी को भी ये पता है कि intention matter क्यों करता है? Comment below. Let us interact with each other, and yes, do not forget to take notes. Do not forget to keep a bottle of water with you so that you don't get distracted. I don't want you to think of this as just some random YouTube video. It is a very intentional chat. It is about your life. So let go of all the thoughts that are in your head right now and only focus on creating a great year for yourself. Okay, देखिए, इंटेंशन जो होता है ना, वो एक कंपस ऑफ आवर लाइफ की तरह होता है. इट गिव्स अस डायरेक्शन, इट गिव्स अस मीनिंग, इट गिव्स अस पर्पस. हमें पता लगने लगता है कि हाँ, हम इस चीज़ के लिए जी रहे हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में. ये हमको अपने लाइफ में लाना है. बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू, इफ वी वेक अप एवरी मॉर्निंग विद नो इंटेंशन व्हाटसोएवर, आई डोंट थिंक यू विल फील लाइक your life has a purpose, because it happened with me. Let me tell you that very clearly. It happened with me. Even though I'm a happiness well-being coach and I'm a personal development trainer, soft skills trainer, everybody needs to have something to look forward to in life. And for me, for example, my goal, my intention is to make a difference in people's lives. And I know that while I make that difference in people's lives, it is impacting me. It's a ripple effect, right? I'm being selfish maybe here, but all of us are growing together, right? So that is why I set an intention which is to do with training people, making a difference in people's lives. So what is that is your compass that will help you to navigate through life is what we're going to be talking about today. So sabse pehle, let us understand what are intentions. Intentions are declarations that you will make to yourself. For example, instead of saying I want to lose weight, you can say that I will focus on having nutritious food and I will focus on fitness so that I'm healthy this year. That is an intention, that is a declaration, right? It is the energy behind that matters, because everything is energy. Our thoughts, our emotions, and when we vibrate at a certain frequency, automatically we are on that path of getting what we want in life, except for things which are विच बिलोंग टू नेचर. अब जैसे कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि हाँ, मैं लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन जानती हूँ, तो क्या मैं कभी मरूंगी ही नहीं, आई विल नेवर फॉल सिक. सी, यू नीड टू टेक अलाइंड एक्शंस. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू if you want to manifest good health and you're doing things which are completely opposite, abusing your body, drinking, smoking, eating junk, obviously you can't expect to manifest a beautiful healthy life, right? So it's very important that you take aligned actions. Now, what is the difference between an intention and a goal? See, goals are specific, measurable, result oriented. However, intentions are inspired actions, something that is to do with your emotions, that gut feeling, that sixth sense. Let me tell you, sixth sense is these are the CEOs of the office of our lives. They are guardian angels. How many times has it happened to you that you're logically thinking that I should not meet this person XYZ, but something within you tells you that no, go meet that person, and then you go meet that person and magic happens, maybe some miracle happens, maybe something that you've been waiting for to work out suddenly works out for you. So that is intention. So I am saying कि ऐसा नहीं है गोल्स मत रखो, बट जो आपके गोल्स है उसका जो फाउंडेशन होना चाहिए, दैट इज इंटेंशंस. बिल्ड योर गोल्स ऑन द फाउंडेशन ऑफ योर इंटेंशंस. ऑलराइट, सो आपको समझ में आ गया कि क्या होता है गोल और क्या होता है इंटेंशन. अब हम लोग जंप करने वाले हैं टॉपिक में कि sorry, now we are going to jump into step 1. Okay, so grab a notebook, write it down, and see, I call it my magic book. Like, I also write down everything. I've kept a book with me, and anything that is like a bulb on moment or anything that I feel is key to my life for me to grow, I write it down in my book. Okay, so that is like a magic book. So like that, you keep one Bible for yourself where you have made notes on personal growth, on specific energy you want to attract in your life, whatever it is. So write down in that book. So now from this moment, as your happiness and well-being coach, I want you to go grab that notebook. If you want, pause the video, get the best notebook, the cleanest notebook, get a pen and start writing. Now these are some questions that I want you to reflect on. Okay, what went well in 2024? What was miraculous for you in 2024? What were the challenges that you faced, and how did you navigate through those challenges? What are the life lessons that those challenges taught you? Write down all of this. And like I said, pause it, do it with me. I'm also going to pause and start writing. And let me tell you, reflection creates a strong foundation for meaningful intentions to materialize in your life. Okay. The second step would be to focus on your feelings. अपने feelings पर focus करें. Now, with me, close your eyes and visualize how do you want your 2025 to be? Do you want it to be full of confidence? What kind of energy do you want to attract? Do you want to be full of romance? Do you want it to be full of fitness, health, whatever it is? Visualize that. Focus on that feeling completely. Now, once you have focused on those feelings, just take that journal of yours again and write down what were those feelings while you were visualizing. How did it feel for you? Now let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is to phrase your intentions. Write it down in a positive manner. इनिशियली मुझे ये जो एफर्मेशंस थे ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा बकवास लगते थे. मुझे लगता था क्या एफर्मेशन विदाउट एनी फीलिंग, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग आई एम हैप्पी. एंड नो, देयर इज अ डीपर मीनिंग बिहाइंड दीज एफर्मेशंस. ओके, एंड आई लाइक टू कॉल इट declarations. And somewhere I had read, I forget the name of that author, where he has mentioned that look at it as a formation. Matlab, instead of saying I want to be rich, how can you get attached to that feeling is by writing down why you want to be rich. For example, I am going to write, I want to be rich so that I can gift myself all that I want. I want to be rich so that I can gift this education to as many people as possible. I want to buy a car for my parents. I want to buy a gift for my husband, my sister, my family. So once you start writing down why is it that you're affirming, whatever you are affirming, your bond with that affirmation becomes stronger. And keep it in present tense and in a positive way. Now, instead of saying I want to lose weight, say I am fit, I weigh 62 kgs or I weigh 65 kgs. So write it that way. Okay, so let's move on to step 4. Align your intentions with your values. Are your personal values family? Are your personal values friends? Are your personal values integrity? Is it peace? Whatever it is, write it down. Now, for example, my personal value is family love. Now, I want to become famous. I want to start working, earn money. I want to become glamorous, but not at the cost of my family. I want to spend a lot of time with my husband, my parents, my sister. So when I write down these intentions, will it align with my husband, my relationship with my husband? Like, I can say that my intention is I want to work 30 days a month abroad. But will my husband be able to join me? Not at this point in time. So it's not giving me that feeling कि हाँ मुझे इतना काम करना है कि मैं घर पे ही ना रहूँ. No, that is not my value. So please take some time, think what is that value of yours based on which you want to write down your intentions. Okay. चलो, तो अभी हमने अपना सारा जो इंटेंशन सब कुछ लिख लिया है, स्टेप्स फॉलो कर लिए हैं. तो अभी नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट में चलते हैं. व्हाट इज इट अबाउट? This segment is going to be about me giving you ways in which you can be aligned to these intentions for them to happen. Okay, so the first way of aligning yourself is with daily reminders. Okay, for you to remember ki haan, this is my intention. See if you want to keep reminders on your phone. See if you want to put up sticky notes everywhere. I have made a beautiful drawing on one sheet and I've just kept it in between a few of my few of the pages of my book, of my journal, so that when I see it reminds me ki ha, this was my intention. Something that will help you remember that this is my intention. Automatically you will take aligned actions. The more you see it, the more it reminds you. Acha, now the next step to align yourself is anchor your intention to actions. Write down the action. For example, if your intention is to be calm, then what is that action you're going to anchor on to get that intention in your life? It is going to be, I want to do a 5-minute meditation every single day. That is one way you're going to make your intention happen of being calm. So anchoring is very important. And finally, I want to say that revisit your intentions. Please don't beat yourself up if it is not working out in a certain way. See, even I believe in manifestation, law of attraction, vibration, etc., etc. But more than anything, I believe in God. I feel that He is my best friend. He is guiding me. Now, whether you believe in God, the divine, whoever you want to call it, the universe, it could be guardian angel that you believe in, or maybe someone who has parted from the physical world, whatever, whoever it may be, I feel that guidance is also important. So revisit your intentions. Sometimes things might not go the way you want them to go, only because it is not for your highest good. आपको शायद लगेगा कि मेरे लिए एक्स वाई जेड अच्छा है, बट वो शायद आपके हाईएस्ट गुड के लिए नहीं है ना? तो इसीलिए revisit your intention and it's okay to alter them, so that you don't limit yourself, so that you're on the same page. Because then you keep an intention which you're not able to achieve due to some reasons, and then you beat up yourself for it, and then you get into that negative vibe, which is definitely not the energy you want to stick to. Okay, so keep revisiting it time to time. And I want to leave you by saying that intention setting is very empowering. It is a strong guidance system that you have created for yourself. And please remember that your intentions are an outcome of your deepest desires and your personal values, right? So isn't it so beautiful to keep your intentions in front of you and get them to happen, right? So if you liked this video, if you found this session helpful, go ahead, like the video, comment below what are the intentions that you have set. Let us all come together, share with each other, encourage each other, and do subscribe to my channel. Do share about this with your loved ones, so that you feel good that yeah, I am sprinkling some of the positive energy on people I love as well. Okay, so do that, and I will see you with day 2 of the 2025 prep series very soon. Take care and bye bye. Yeah, and I forgot to tell you, should you have any questions, do mention it in the comment sections. I will be happy to take them. And I'm also on Instagram under the name of a holistic wellbeing sanctuary. So go ahead and DM me your questions. I can take up a few questions there and answer them for you. Bye bye.